This is Talking Wikipedia. K is the 11th letter of the English and Basic Modern Latin alphabet. In English, the letter K usually represents the voiceless velar plosive. This sound is also transcribed by /K/ in the International Phonetic Alphabet and XSAMPA. The letter K comes from the Greek letter kappa, which was taken from the Semitic cap, the symbol for an open hand. To this, in turn, was likely adapted by Semites who had lived in Egypt from the hieroglyph for hand representing D in the Egyptian word for hand, drt. The Semites evidently assigned it the sound value /K/ instead, because their word for hand started with that sound. 3 In modern-day English slang, the word K is used as a substitute for the abbreviation OK or OK. In international Morse code, it is used to mean over. 4 In the earliest Latin inscriptions, the letters C, K and Q were all used to represent the sounds /K/ and /G/, which were not differentiated in writing. Of these, Q was used to represent /K/ or /G/ before a rounded vowel, K before /A/ and C elsewhere. Later, the use of C and its variant G replaced most usages of K, and QK survived only in a few fossilized forms such as Kalendie, the Kalends. 5 When Greek words were taken into Latin, the kappa was changed to C, with a few exceptions such as the praenomen. The exo. Some words from other alphabets were also transliterated into C. Hence, the Romance languages have K only in words from other language groups. The Celtic languages also chose C over K, and this influence carried over into Old English. Today, English is the only Germanic language to productively use hard C in addition to K, though Dutch use it in learned words of Latin origin and follows the same hard/soft distinction in such words as Dutch, French and English, but not in native words. Some English linguists prefer to reverse the Latin transliteration process for proper names in Greek, spelling Hecate as Hecate for example, and the writing down of languages that do not have their own alphabet with the Latin one has resulted in a standardization of the letter for this sound, as in quadquedoodle. In the International Phonetic Alphabet, K is the symbol for the voiceless velar plosive. Several other alphabets use characters with sharp angles to indicate the sound K or syllables that start with a K. For example, Arabic, Hebrew or Korean. This kind of phonetic visual association was studied by Wolfgang Kohler. However, there are also many examples of rounded letters for K, like in Telugu, and in Thai, in Armenian, in Ge'ez, and C in Latin. This is Talking Wikipedia.